You can see the water is very strong. Two-way going. Oh, coming boat. Woo! Very strong, both of them. Wow, so great. Okay, hello everyone. Today the river water level is a little bit higher, and today I will install the siphon. But what is the special idea? Amazing idea is I will install one intake water pipe and double output water pipe, and how it works I'm not sure as well. Let's see together. So I'm start to install right away. Okay, done. Okay, we need to wrap the plastic because we did not use the glue. The plastic to wrap it. Okay, done now. So the connecting installation is complete, and what we have to do is just fill in the water into the both part or pipe here until full, and then we just testing together how it works with this output, double output pipe. Okay, done. Put it into the water. Okay. So now we need to fill in the water. What? What? Okay. Come on! I hope this one is the last one. 50 basket. So it's full now. Okay, what I gotta do is just close the air pipe. That's all for my installation. Out both of them here. You can see here water pulling out. Okay, so I just open one first and then I will take another step to open. Okay, I can count 1, 2, 3. Coming, so going. Fast. Okay, so it sucked now. It sucked me. Okay, the water is not very clear, so let me show you how it work. Oh, you can see the water's very strong. Two-way going. Oh, strange. It is strong. Oh my god, super strong. Right? Okay, so now 100% work. So I can just go now to see the output water. Very strong, very strong. Woo! So, okay, let's see this one. This one also pulling out. So, let me open another one. Wow, it's so strong. Oh, coming on. Woo! Very strong, both of them. Wow, that's great. It's coming because it is very heavy because we have 2 parts. Now the water is start clearer, and as you can see here it's full but a little bit slower than one because it's just coming one and split here. And as this is my testing version, I think that if we have this one longer, it will be strong press because it has 2 pipes. The water coming 2 pipes. So another 1 pipe will coming very fast because of this 2 is pushing out very strong. So I hope this is work. This one longer and heavier from about 6 meters. I hope that. So next video I will try to do that, and I hope it have people. It's free water. It just do with a double pipe. Okay. This works. So I'm going to check the intake water pipe because it is just 1 pipe. Let's see how it's strong suck because we have the double output pipe. Okay. Going back to in. So strong. suck me. Woo! So almost sucked me in. Woo, very strong. Okay, so it's working. So I'm going to check the output. Okay, so now it's working very strong. And this is a new experience that I just testing for the output water pipe. 2 output water pipe and 1 intake water pipe. It's really strong and faster at the intakes, and the output is a little bit slower because that one we have 2, but it's very strong shock. So I hope everyone can do it. And before we leave, you can keep it, but you make sure that you can just listen to each connection pipe. Make sure that you don't hear any air press or any leaking. And then if you have leaking, you just grab with this rubber. That's all for that. It seems easy. And okay, so the next video I hope I will do 2 double pipe, but it's longer. So I just want to test that it will suck stronger because it will heavier than this one. This one is shorter. So I hope that's all for my tutorial today, and I hope you see my next video. See you again soon. Bye.